welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Emma. I make like lifestyle content here on YouTube. So for today's video, I'm so excited because I got to work with Vici dolls again. So for those of you who don't know, Vici dolls is like an online clothing store, and they also have like a real store out in California. And they just have super cute pieces, like new ones every single day, which is kind of dangerous, and they always have 20% off, so it's just like a great site. And I've ordered from them before. I absolutely love their stuff. It's just like so cute, and it's pretty reasonable too. So they were very generous and allowed me to pick out quite a few items that I'm going to be showing you guys. So the first thing that I got is this little gold necklace. It is called, on my list, it's called the Rooney Confetti adjustable necklace, and I got it in gold. I only wear gold jewelry. I think it just like looks better with my skin tone. I think that's the thing. But yeah, it just has little beads on it as well as little jewels, and it's just pretty dainty and simple, which is what I like when it comes to jewelry, because I'm not a huge jewelry person, but I do wear necklaces, and I thought that this one was really cute. This next thing I have wanted like the entire summer since I saw someone have it like on Instagram, and it's this little circle straw purse. I feel like these might kind of be out of style now, but I don't really care because I absolutely love them. I think they're just like so cute. So this one is called, it's the Dark Natural, and there's a little pocket on the inside. You can wear it like as a handbag, or there is a crossbody. So I just thought it was like so cute, and I feel like it'll go with everything I wear pretty much. Okay, this next thing is probably actually my favorite thing I got. It's this gorgeous yellow dress, and just for your size reference, I got smalls in everything, just because the models were around my height and they were all wearing smalls, so I was like, probably should go with smalls instead of mediums, because I usually wear mediums, but here I wear smalls. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a satiny material, really soft and lightweight. There's little ruffles, a nice v-neck, and I just honestly love the color. I pretty much got it for the color, and it is kind of more of like a midi length. I think it goes past the knee, so I just thought that it would be really, really pretty. Alright, this next thing is called the Play Date Striped Cotton Jumpsuit, and I will tell you, just because I'm 5'9", and so I can't really wear like rompers and jumpsuits because I'm so tall, but the model who was wearing this is 5'9", and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go out on a limb, I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna hope it fits. So as you can see, it's just striped. It has kind of more flowy legs, which I like. It's not super, super tight. I love the front, and then there's kind of like a deep crisscross back, so I thought this would be cute with like a white or cream colored like short sleeve shirt during the summer and transitioning to fall, and then like a long sleeve top in fall and winter. So the next thing is this t-shirt. It just says Monday Blues on it, which I thought was so cute. Even though like I don't hate Mondays, I think they're great because it's like I get my week planned and everything. But I loved kind of like the camel color, and I just thought it was really cute, and this material is so soft. This next top is called the Georgia Peach Boho Blouse, and this, I can already tell, it is a thicker material, so it'll be great for like cooler months, or if it's like more of a chillier day, but I just love this color so much. So it's just kind of a normal blouse. There is a little cutout in the middle, and then it ties up at the top. The sleeves are flowier, and the bottom flows out as well. It's a bit of a high-low. There's a little bit of a difference between the front and the back. This is so much fun because I don't remember like what I bought, so it's like literally like Christmas. Oh my gosh, okay, I saw this on Instagram like 2 months ago, I feel like, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love that dress. So this is, what is it called? This is the Song of Summer cotton dress, and it's all white, which I think is so pretty. I've wanted a white dress like all summer, but I haven't been able to find a good one. So it's more of a high neck, and then there's a round back, and then it's basically just like lace, and the bottom is kind of fringed and tasseled, and I just thought that it was like very bohemian, very like simple, classy, but I've wanted a white dress for so long, and when I saw that picture, I was like, yes, like that is so pretty. So I got another little blouse. This one's a long sleeve, which I thought would be good for like work or with jean shorts. jeans once it gets a little bit cooler. But again, it's kind of like that mauve peachy color, and it is like more of a high neck, and it's a little bit frayed at the top, which I thought was cute. It's just a sheer blouse, and then there are like the buttoned wrist. So, oh, this is so fun. Okay, so I got another blouse. I really like tops because I feel like they go with just like jeans, black jeans, or like jean shorts, so I get more tops than I do bottoms. This one is so fun. It's like a plain, kind of creamy colored top, but it's plain in the front, and then it's all embroidered on the back. And I thought that it was cute because it was like boring fun. So I really, really like it. It's just floral designs, and then the sleeves are, I thought they came down more, but they're more, it's kind of almost like a tank top sort of. It's like that half sleeve. Then I got a pair of jean shorts to go with all of my shirts. These are the Summertime Relaxed Fit cut off shorts, and again I got a small. So wow, these are so cute. So they're more of a light wash. They are a little bit high-waisted, it looks like, and they're just frayed at the bottom. Super simple, little holes in the front, but I thought they were just like so cute. Okay, I got another jumpsuit. My mom encouraged me to purchase this one, which I really, really like. It's going to be great for the fall. So it's kind of like a burgundy color, and then it's black and white stripes. So it is tank top style, but I can easily throw on a black or white long sleeve or even short sleeve underneath if I wanted to. And it is kind of a deeper v-neck, and then there's a little cinch-in at the waist, and then some super fun flowy bottoms. So that's going to be so cute on. Again, all I can think of is like all these cute Instagram pictures that I'm going to take in them. They're just so cute. So then I got this little accessory. It's called like the flower field bandana, I believe. So there's just flowers all in the middle, and then there's like a navy blue border. But I thought it would be cute to kind of like roll up and like wear as a headband, or like tie it around like a top knot or a ponytail, something like that. I just thought that it would be fun because I'm really into, well, I'm not really into, but I do like hair accessories. I've been wearing like some more like kind of headbands, which if you watched my latest couple of videos, I was wearing them in those. So I do really like them. I think they're, again, kind of like a fun accessory to add. So the last clothing item is this t-shirt, which I absolutely love. It just says "Take a Walk on the Wild Side." There's a little mountain range there and like the sun beaming out from under, and it's the same like really, really soft material, and I love just like kind of the steel gray color. I just thought that it was like really cute. Again, easy with jeans or leggings or jean shorts or something like that. Alright, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, website will be linked down below. I absolutely love Vici dolls. They just have like great, super cute, reasonable items, and they've been awesome to work with. So yeah, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you want to see all these clothes live and in action. And yeah, I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye!